Hey y'all, I'm gonna share a recipe with y'all that everyone who has this at Paula Deen's Family Kitchen in Pigeon Forge, they adore them. And I know that a lot of folks out there are asking for different pancake recipes. Well, this one is truly different. And it's the one that we serve daily at Paula Deen's Family Kitchen in Pigeon Forge. And this is served just in our family kitchens that are open for breakfast. Not all of them are open for breakfast. And the recipe that I'm sharing with y'all today, as I was saying a second ago, a lot of people have been asking for different pancake recipes. So we talked about it and decided that we would share with y'all this wonderful Ooey Gooey butter pancake that we serve at Paula Deen's Family Kitchen in Pigeon Forge in Myrtle Beach. So here we go. Now it's going to be several steps. We actually cut this recipe in half because it makes so many, but you can go on this link and you can get the full recipe, and then you can cut it in half or double it, however you want it to be. So there's several steps in this wonderful pancake. So the first thing I'm going to start with is the last thing, the last part of the recipe. So I'm gonna beat 1 stick of softened butter, cream cheese. Now I'm gonna whip this first and then we'll add the confectionate sugar. But we wanna just do this until it's creamy. So for y'all that have had the gooey butter cakes over the years, you get my drift on this pancake, right? Okay, that's pretty creamy. I don't have many choices in bowl sizes around here. How tired of y'all of hearing me say it's in storage? I know I'm tired of saying it. Or more. Ooh, that's so nice and creamy. Okay. You know I'm gonna get every bit of it, y'all. Okay, I don't think we're even gonna have to wash those beaters because we're just gonna be beating more of the same thing. So I'm gonna set this aside because the last step is done. All right. So we're gonna start with the liquid gooey butter mix. And for that one, I'm gonna have to get me another bowl. I'm going to try to find a bowl. I really do like using clear bowls so that y'all can see the ingredients. But I'm going to just do the best I can. It's going to be in a metal bowl. And I've got my cream cheese. I've got my powdered sugar. I've got my vanilla. And so I'm gonna just mix this up and get it a little smooth. Those don't feel like they're in there all that good. I'll find out in just a second they want to. this kind of sounds like the filling to the gooey butter cake, doesn't it?
Yes.
You know, that filling that we put on top. You think it is, Teresa?
Mm-hmm. And they're just incorporating it in to give it the gooey.
Yes, yes. Yes, yes, yes. All right. So we want to mix this until it's very smooth. All right. So we're going to move this to the side. And now we're going to make, I put the vanilla in there, didn't I? So now we're actually going to make the pancake part of our gooey butter cake pancakes. I'm trying to get these in without getting too greasy, but I couldn't do it. I got greasy. All right, so I'm gonna read off this part of the recipe so you can hear me before I start the beaters. All right, so I've got eggs, vegetable oil, a cup of milk. Where's my buttermilk? Oh, here's my buttermilk. I've got self-rising flour. I've got 1/4 of a cup of sugar. And I've got buttermilk. And I've got vanilla extract. And they tell us to just mix all the ingredients in a mixer on low for about a minute. And then we're gonna be ready to go. All right, I'm gonna add the sugar, the egg, the buttermilk. Oops. Pancakes really are, you know, oh gosh, dog it. They're really easy to make. The thing is, you know, having a pan big enough. This works real well if you've got a griddle. And now my milk. So we got milk and buttermilk. So we're gonna mix this for about 1 minute. And then, in the meantime, I'm gonna start heating up our griddle to 350. Oh, I forgot the oil, didn't I? Because it's clear. I was about to miss it, y'all. A little vegetable oil. And that's it. You're just gonna beat this for about 1 minute until it's kind of lump free. According to Pigeon Forge, Family Kitchen and Pigeon Forge, they say place 3 ounces on a 350-degree skillet. And as it cooks on the first side, we're gonna place some of the liquid ooey gooey butter in a pinwheel configuration. And then we're gonna flip it, and then we're gonna eat it. Okay, I took a quick break, y'all, because I realized in order to do the liquid gooey butter cake part that I needed a bag. So we've transferred this to a bag, and that'll help me be able to turn this thing into a pinwheel fashion. All right, so they use 3 ounces in the restaurant. That's the size they make the pancakes that we serve. It's hard to figure out what 3 ounces is though in a liquid state. So now while that's cooking, we're gonna just do this in a pinwheel fashion. Maybe. You know, this is how we're gonna do it, gang. We're gonna do it just like that because this bag that I got has a pleat in it. And so we're gonna do it just like that. See, Eddie, see the pleat? Yeah. That's all right. Okay, I see it. See the bubbles coming now? You see them? So that tells us that it's time to flip. And look, Eddie, at that beautiful, beautiful pancake. That looks right good, doesn't it, y'all? I think it's ready. And remember when we started out, we made that topping? Do you remember us making this topping of butter and confectionate sugar, vanilla? And I think that was it. Let me see.
That was it.
That was it.
Mm-hmm. Cream cheese, butter.
Oh yeah, cream cheese. That's what I forgot.
Sugar and vanilla.
I'm calling these done. What do you think?
Yeah, well, you don't want to. You want to make sure they're still gooey.
Mm-hmm. So this is just how we serve them at Paula Deen's Family Kitchen in Pigeon Forge, Tennessee. Doesn't it look delicious? So, do y'all mind having sugar-free syrup with y'all's? Well, I guess not. Y'all don't all answer me at one time.
You just go
There
on.
you go, Eddie. There you go, Eddie, again.
You just put that sugar-free stuff on the other side.
Oh, okay.
I'm kidding. I don't know that
No.
I've ever done sugar-free.
Well, it's really good. It's, you know, it's like anything. When you get used to it. I'll put a little right there.
I don't know that I've even used
So,
syrup when we go.
let's
to
go. Dig in.
I don't think you
Need it.
could tell.
Dig in. Oh,
Gosh, look how fluffy,
I know.
Eddie.
Everything that we do at Family Kitchens is so over the top.
That's like eating cake.
So, loving best dishes. Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.